Hi guys! Welcome to Craftamo. In today's video, we're taking on a painting challenge using the new brush set from Studio Wildlife. Daniel Wilson is known for his realistic wildlife paintings. Well, I've seen his work and they are truly impressive. With that in mind, we'll try to recreate one of his paintings using his very own brush set. But before we start, let me quickly show you the brushes that are included in this set. When you open the box, you'll find a printed artwork with some information on the back. And here are the brushes. So first we got a size 20 flat brush, a size 4 filbert, a size 3 round, another filbert brush in size 10, a size 2 and a size 4 rigger brushes. So we have a total of 6 brushes and now we can go ahead and start painting. So for this artwork, we will follow one of Daniel's tutorial, which is shown here. As you can see, I've already done my sketch and I didn't use a template for this. It's a freehand drawing, so there are some, minor differences. Disclaimer, I don't have much experience when it comes to painting animals, so I'm not expecting too much, but I promise to do my best. Most of my subjects are landscapes, but rarely animals or portraits because they, require a lot of blending, which is very challenging, especially when you're working with acrylic paints. That's why I admire Daniel's work. His paintings look incredibly realistic, even with acrylics. Though he explains in this tutorial that you can achieve a realistic look with thin layers using acrylic paints. He also shared a lot of techniques, so I recommend you guys to watch his tutorials. And here's my final painting. I know it's not quite like the original, but hey, not bad for a beginner, right? Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in our next video. Happy painting!